Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the unboxing video for the Cricut Maker 3. The Cricut Maker 3 is a state-of-the-art machine capable of cutting over 300 materials with ease and precision. Upon opening, you will find a Cricut envelope containing a start manual, a sample Cricut Smart Vinyl, a warranty card, and safety instructions. Delving deeper, there is a Cricut UK wall charger, a European wall plug, and a USB printer cable. You also discover hidden storage space for your tools, a truthful feature that keeps your workspace tidy. One of the highlights is the premium fine point blade, known for its durability and precision. This blade effortlessly handles designs and detailed patterns across a variety of materials, including paper, cardstock, vinyl, and iron-on. The Essentials bundle also includes the basic tool set. Scissors, high-quality, sharp blades for clean cuts. Tweezers, reverse grip designed for easy lifting and placing of the materials. Spatula helps lift cuts from the mat without tearing or curling. Weeder, perfect for removing tiny negative pieces from your cut materials. Scraper, ideal for applying transfer tape and cleaning cutting mats. Additionally, you will receive the True Control knife designed for precision and control, ensuring clean, accurate cuts every time. In this bundle, you will find a roll of transparent transfer tape, a roll of premium vinyl, and a roll of red StrongBond vinyl, each containing 3 12 by 12 inches sheets. The portable trimmer measuring 12 inches helps you cut and measure with precision. you will also get a mats variety pack, perfect for securely holding your vinyl during cutting. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to support our community. See you next time. Thank you.